here's going to be a quick little warm-up. We're going to do a couple different exercises, and if you have room, you can do these moving across the floor, either forward or backwards, left and right. If you don't have a lot of room, you can still do it. We're just going to kind of stay in one little spot when we do it. So we're going to do a couple different exercises. First one we're going to do is walking out push-ups. If you're moving across the floor, the way you would do this would be you would walk your hands down, do your push-up, and then bringing your feet towards your hands, stand up, then walk forward again. Feet, you can turn around, walk your hands out, push up, jump in, stand up, hands walk out, push up, jump back in. If you don't have enough room to move, you'll just go forward and back in the same spot. So you would start in the same position, you would walk your hands out, do your push-up, but now you're going to walk your hands back in. Walk them back out, do your push-up, walk them back in. So you have two options to do those. Next one, if you have room, we're going to start with our left foot in front. You're going to touch your knee to the ground and kick that same foot as high as you can. Step forward, touch the opposite knee, kick, step forward, opposite knee, kick. You could turn around and repeat it. And if you don't have enough room, you can stay in one spot. What you'll be doing is you'll be stepping back, kick, step back, kick, and switching your legs each time, staying in one spot. So again, two different versions, moving up and down the floor, or in the space that you have, or you can stay in one spot, alternating legs. Another one that we're going to do is just broad jumps. So if you have room, start with your knees bent, jump as far as you can, bend your knees, you can turn around, same thing, start about shoulders width apart, jump, make sure your knees are bent when you land, jump again. And if you don't have enough room, you can just squat, jump your feet up as high as you can, squat, jump your feet. So what you want to do is think about kicking your heels to your butt. So you would squat down, jump up, and land. Stay in that nice horse stance when you land. If you have enough space, you can go one side, do your push-up, roll, do your push-up, roll, and then you can return to the other side, push up, roll back, and if you don't have enough space to move a lot down either left or right, you're just going to stay in one spot and flip back and forth. So you would do your push-up, roll to one side, do your push-up, roll back to the other side. And you would just keep going back and forth. Okay, so now we're going to do any variation of those exercises. If you have space to move, you can do it. If you don't, do the versions where you're staying in one spot. But we're going to go for a minute each, and we're going to do all four. So we're going to start with our walkout push-ups. Do that for a minute. And then we're going to do our knee lunges with our kicks. Do that for a minute. Then we're going to go to our squats with our jumps for a minute. And then we're going to finish with our push-ups crossing over. So I'm going to show you both variations, and you can switch out between whichever ones work best for you. So we're going to start for 1 minute, walking out push-ups. Walk your hands out. Good push-up. Jump, stand up. Walk them out. Push up. Jump. Walk them out. Jump. If you don't have the space, walk them out. Walk them back in. Stand all the way up. Have the space. Good. 1 minute, catch your breath. Now we're going to do 1 minute knee touches with the kicks. If you have the room, knee touch, kick. If you don't have the room, step back, kick. Switching your legs. The space, use it. Keep your hands up, kick nice and high. Good job. Good job. Catch your breath. Now 1 minute of our squats to our jumps. Squat, jump. Squat, jump. Stay low. Bend your knees. If you don't have space, kick your butt. Make sure you land in a horse stance when you land. If you do have space, jump forward. Good job, catch your breath. Okay, now 1 minute with the push-ups, rolling over to either side. Push up, keep your butt up in the air. If you have the room, keep moving, and then roll back. Don't have the room, roll back and forth. 1, and back. Make sure your push-up is good. Job. So you want to make sure that you use the space that you have. I know if you're practicing at home, you might not have a lot of space, but you want to do your best with what area that you have. If you can go out in your yard, if you could do these in your room, if you can clear out some space. But then again, you don't need a lot of space if you practice the variations. So it's 1 minute of work. Make sure that your exercises are good technique. It's not about going fast. It's about making sure you're doing them correctly. Good job.